So I wanted to make a quick video on how to replace the string in Ryobi string trimmer. And the first thing you want to do is there's this line on the little yellow button basically that you want to line up with the two arrows which coincide with the holes on the side. And to do that, basically you push down on it and then you can rotate it like a knob. And then from there, I'm too lazy to measure out my string, so this is just regular, nothing special, 2mm string for the weed eaters. And what I do to measure it is I'll just do 2 times the length of my arm span. So I'll grab one end with one hand and then run the string down through my other hand as far as my arms can spread apart, and then do that again a second time starting at the point that I ended at. But then from there, once you have your string and you have it lined up, oops, sorry for the chaos, I don't have enough hands. Basically you feed it through, and if the string doesn't want to poke through on its own, what you can do is you can kind of twist it as you push through, and then it'll push through. And you're going to want to pull it all the way through until you have the same amount on each side. So this is kind of twisty stuff. Find the other end. You grab both ends and then just pull it until it twists and tangles, and there we go. Pull it till it is even basically. There we go. And then from there, we'll see if I can do this. Basically, you need your winding tool, and mine's kind of chewed up on the head, so it doesn't fit the best anymore. But then you just wind it. I'm gonna start this off camera. Alright, got it mostly wound up. Basically, you crank this handle the same direction clockwise. Alternatively, if yours is chewed up like mine, what you can do is you can kind of hold down on this, and then you grab the reel and you spin the reel instead of the handle, but then you end up spinning the reel counterclockwise. So sorry it's not the best video, but hopefully that's helpful.